Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how to humanize your AI writing and to get a very good result. So first of all, don't forget to come to darkdiary.com to find free coding projects for JavaScript, Python, Java, R, and more. So let's go to ChatGPT. So I told him to write a blog about school, whatever, just to test. Let's copy it. Let's go first to GPT-0 to check if this is AI or not. So scan, and as you can see here, it's AI. Okay, let's go now to our tool, the amazing and the best tool ever, and let's paste everything. So it will just get, I think, 400 words, so you can just do it by your own self. So the thing is, it converts AI text to human writing. So let's go and humanize. Okay. All right, no, just go. Okay, let's come to GPT-0, but I will put more because GPT-0 always wants a lot of writing to give you an accurate response, so that's why. Okay. Let's go to GPT-0. Okay, I think this is good because, as I told you, this tool wants a very huge text to scan better, and as you can see here, it's human. It's very amazing. Bypass GPT is so good. By the way, this is the free version, but I do have the premium version. It's amazingly good. It's very good. I will do another video about it, but this is just for free. So I will put everything in the description box for GPT-0 and Bypass GPT, and yeah, just use it, guys. It's free, but also if you really want the premium version, honestly, it's so good. Alright, so thank you for watching the video. This is the end, and don't forget again to come to darkdiary.com to find free projects. Okay, bye bye.